What is up, guys? Are you guys looking for a sneaker home decor that you can put into your house or even your sneaker room? Well, I got you covered. Let's get it. Yo, what is up, fam? Thanks once again for tuning in. This is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're going to be talking about sneaker art, alright? Or sneaker home decor, because we're going to be talking about the guys from Soul Prints. Soul Prints basically do a lot of sneaker inspired art. Not just that, they do other things as well in terms of the culture, but that's their main thing, to do sneaker art, and I love it, seriously. So I've known the guys from Soul Prints for a while. They've been coming to a lot of the TKS events before COVID happened. So I'm at Soul Prints again. I see this guy almost every year, man, and he's got some pretty good stuff, man.
I actually got the picture frame of this. Thank you so much, man.
Oh, man, anytime. And they were always doing their thing. They always had really good prints and graphic designs back then, and they still continue to do it now. So yeah, guys, if you're stuck in lockdown, you don't really know what to do, definitely try to kind of like improve the atmosphere and the environment around you, and this is one really good way, especially putting prints up, making your house look nice. It's just good to have prints there as well to make your kind of room feel more complete when you have sneaker decor or sneaker artwork up on your walls. Would you give it to a friend maybe as well? Because these are great gifts as well for not just you, for birthdays, for the holidays and all that kind of stuff. And what's good about it is that you don't have to worry about like the shipping or anything like that. They'll take care of it all for you. So all you got to do is purchase it and send it to that loved one or that really special friend of yours that you want to give this print to, and then let them do all the all that good stuff of unboxing it and putting it onto their wall. So that's why I'm really excited to do this little care package from the guys at Soul Prints. So shout out to Nathan. And just by looking at it, because I initially requested I think it was just A2s sizes, and when I look into this, I can already see that there is multiple sizes. So he did say that he'll send a bunch over, and I'm actually quite excited to see these designs. What I like about it as well is that they do look after you in terms of delivery, because sometimes you think wouldn't paper get destroyed in the mail? Bro, don't worry, Soul Prints got you covered. So they got this really durable cardboard tubing, which they put the artwork in, so it's pretty secure. I can already see. I haven't really opened it yet, so I don't know if there's actually damage or not, but I could already imagine that it should be fine. And they put it in this really nice plastic as well, so they got you covered in terms of keeping the quality of the prints for you, and especially once they get delivered to your house. So I could see that there's already a really big one in here. Okay, how does this go? Bro, so they sent me all these different sizes. Wait, I'm just trying to think of a way to actually show you guys. I'll go from the biggest to the smallest. So this is the first one. Bro, look at this, bro. Yo, look at that. That is awesome. That is sick. So it goes up to Jordan 1 to Jordan 15. Man, the Jordan Dynasty. Oh, that's sick, bro. This is a really good one. So it's sort of like a checklist as well to see which shoes you got on this poster. I think this is the A1, I'm pretty sure this is the A1 size, so it's pretty big. When you go to Kmart or whatever, and then you go look at your prints, sometimes they don't look exactly like what you kind of imagined it, but this is quality, no kind of defects or anything like that in terms of the print. It is super crispy. It's so nice. Yo, this is awesome. What do we got next? A2 sizing. I got an off-white Converse Chuck. Yo, man, this is sick. And he did it when people throw their kind of Chuck Taylors over the what do you call the power lines and stuff. He kind of had that theme too. And this is awesome. This is sick. So nice. Next we got Air Tempos. I think that's what they're called. It reminds me of the Olympics right now, kind of timely. And yeah, the blue, the red, this is sick, bro. Look at that. Look at the quality. Seriously, look at that. So nice. In terms of up tempos, I remember I had a pair. They look cool and everything and stuff, but they're really chunky. I had the anthracite, I think it was called. It's like the black and the green. That was sick, but eventually I think I had to sell that one because I wasn't really wearing it. But I remember my boy Lawman, shout out to you DJ Lawman for picking those up for me. Super old school, man. Old school sneakers, and yeah, I love it. Yeah, that last 821 is the Jordan 1s, as you can see, the Carolinas. Oh man, these are beautiful. These are beautiful sneakers. I love this print. It looks awesome. Reminds me of another pair of sneakers that I can't get. But like, I love the blue on this, man. Oh bro, man. But like, when you look at sneakers like this, it kind of really inspires you, like, to work hard and, you know, grind more. So that there's a chance that you can get it in the future. So the final two are the ones that I kind of requested personally, because they asked me, like, I'll choose which two you might want, and I will also give you some more. And these are the personal picks that I have, and you'll know why. So the first one is obviously the Jordan 1 Travis Scott highs. Awesome sneaker. Do I have it? No, I don't. But it's something really cool to look at. Brown. It's I don't know. I think it. When I look at this image as well, it will kind of match the kind of decor of the house, or the kind of look of the house. So that's why I really wanted it. And once again, it's inspiration for me to work hard. So maybe one day I can afford these at resale prices. But if anyone out there want to give me like retail, come on, bro. But yeah, shout out to Soul Prints. This is awesome. I love this print. And we'll get to the final one. And of course, the final one is gotta be the Dior ones. Now, like, no explanation needed why I wanted to get this one. This is probably the grail of all grails. It is personally for me. I think it's a really, you know, kind of a long, far-fetched kind of dream. And it is to get the Dior ones in my size, because these are fetching up to so much money. Like, I can't even think about it. I don't even want to look at the resale prices now, because they are so expensively high. But you know, once again, inspiration, Dior. Am I a really big Dior fan? Probably not. But just the fact that the quality in these that I've heard that go into these are really, really nice. And you know, it's just a classy shoe. If you wear this, it's like whatever you like, you know, wear it with it usually kind of elevates straight away. And yeah, I don't know, it's Dior, it's a high fashion brand, and it's a Jordan 1. So I don't know, this is kind of the grail of all grails. So yeah, looking at image like this really kind of makes you kind of like look at your life and where you are. I know it's just a print of a sneaker, but to me this kind of means something else, you know. When you look at something like this, it's almost unobtainable. Like, if you think about it, if you think about it in a way that like, you have to buy it off like StockX or something, it's pretty much like, would you rather pay for a house deposit or get a pair of sneakers kind of thing. I think it's kind of a good reminder to see where you are at in life, to see what your goals are and all that kind of stuff. So it's not just a print, guys. It's like, it's more like that. It's like a future plan. It's future goals, and like setting them and trying to accomplish them. And generally what I like to think about goals is to don't aim here where you're gonna kind of reach the goal. You aim a lot higher. If you shoot for the moon, if you miss, at least you'll be in the stars. Something like that. But you know what I'm talking about. It kind of changes your mindset to kind of achieve your goals into that kind of, you know, that focus that you can do, so that you can actually try and, you know, do something better in your life. Not just for sneakers, guys, also for your family, your health and all that kind of stuff. So nice, just for inspiration. But the print, you know, itself is sick. Once again, it's on point. If you look at all the little detailing on the inside as well, here it has like Dior there as well. So it's like, it's really high quality, guys, the actual print. It goes, if you look closely at it, you can see all these kind of different details. So you know, Soul Prints have done a really good job. Just the finish of it as well, so shiny, so glossy. Yeah, I don't know, it's just a really high quality product. And yeah, shout out to you guys at Soul Prints for this. This is awesome. And I also do want to share a piece that I did buy back in Sydney so many years ago from Soul Prints, and I still have it to this day. I actually have it framed. It is my favorite Sean Witherspoon one right here. This means a lot to me as well, because it's ice cream. I love ice cream, and it's in this inspiration of the Sean Witherspoon Air Max. I remember I also bought the t-shirt or the long sleeve that came with this, but I don't have it anymore because it doesn't fit me because of COVID. Yeah. Because of COVID. Yeah, a lot of the pieces that you can get from Soul Prints are timeless and they'll stay with you for a really long time. Also, some facts I'd probably like to say is that the sizing for these images or these graphics that you can get from Soul Prints come in A1, A2 and A3. They normally don't come in frames to keep it more budget friendly, but you can get budget frames from Kmart, which is what I did. Very easy to put in, very cheap and affordable as well, and it looks great in the actual frame. It comes in really nice, thick and high quality 250 GSM paper. It's not some of that really flimsy stuff, you know, that you can probably get from other places. Anyway guys, what do you guys think about the prints? Do you like them? I'm thinking of actually doing a giveaway as well, so stay tuned onto my Instagram where I'll be probably doing a giveaway there, because I can't actually put up all these artworks. I don't have enough space in my room. I don't think my missus is going to be approving of me just putting up all this artwork around their house. So yeah, I will be doing a couple of giveaways, so please stay tuned onto my Instagram where I'll be doing those giveaways. But let me know what you actually think about the actual prints and the idea. Would you get them? But yeah, let me know what you think. Go check out Soul Prints guys online. They do have a lot of really good stuff, not just sneaker inspired stuff. They do have like sneaker culture things there as well, so go definitely have a look. Anyway guys, thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me that big thumbs up and please consider subscribing for more of this kind of content. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the future. Thank you once again for watching. Peace.